We've got a rooster over here. Where'd he go? We got him. Here we go. All right, I've literally been out here less than 5 minutes, but we got one bird. I think I got it on the GoPro, but he was down there. He flew up over here, so we came around through the middle here, around here, and we got him right here. See some of the blood there, but here we go. That is a nice bird. So first one of the day. So there we go. Good bird there. All right, so I was kind of walking along this brush right here and I saw two pheasants right up here where kind of the field meets the brush here. And they were kind of running along it. So I'm just gonna kind of follow this up and see if I can't find them. So I know they're in here. There's either in this brush or along this bank here, but I saw at least two of them just kind of running along here. So I'll see if I can't get up here and find them, but hopefully I can get them. That'd be sweet to get my limit here real fast. Whew, that was fun. I was walking along here and I saw two pheasants running along the stitch line. And I just got both of them. So we got that one there. And then we got one over here. And then we had one other fly, but you can only get two. So I just got my limit, which is pretty freaking sweet. So let's take a look at this one. Whew. There we go. We got one bird. So one bird down. The other one is right over here. This one has good tail feathers on it. So here's the second bird. Very pretty. So sweet. We got our limit. All in a matter of, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. It was quick. So we'll grab these and I guess we're done for the day. All right, so here's a look at the two pheasants. This one's super pretty. So we got number two here. Two pheasants, let's go. Time to head home now. Get out of it's freezing cold here. So there we go. All right, well, we just got back to the truck, but here's kind of a final look at it. His head, I blew up his head. So, this is a good shot, I guess. But, super, super pretty birds. He's got pretty decent tail feathers for all the birds that I've seen out here this year. But this one, super pretty face and body, just crappy tail feathers. But there we go. 2 birds in a matter of 20 seconds max. This one flew up first, shot it. This one flew up, shot it right after, and it was a matter of bang bang. As fast as I could pump the shotgun. This other one was down, so. And we had a third one fly away, but the limit's 2, so I can only get 2 of them. But there we go. 2 birds down in 30 seconds.